How are you today? I am so glad that you're here. If you're new here, I'm Dawn from Just Doing My Best. And if you're back, welcome back. This is my series on healthy hair for mature women. I'm not a hairdresser. I'm not a professional. I am you. So in this series, I'm just going to show some ideas and tips, some techniques, some products to help us all have healthy hair and hopefully a better style as we get older. I have thin, fine, straight hair. Yay! So far, my hair is not thinning as I get older, but I do take a lot of collagen. You know, if you're like me and you don't have a lot of hair and it's very straight, you need all the tips, all the ideas, all of the products, everything that you can get to just make it look more, make it look better, and keep it healthy and keep it healthy looking. So hopefully that's what you'll get out of this series. Now, did you see me trim my bangs? So I will link that video, gave myself a little trim. That trim that I did is another way to give myself a little bit of texture, give my style a little bit of volume, because without some work, without some effort, I just look like a wet dog. I want to know if that's you. So today we're going to blow dry, and blow drying is not super just awesome and captivating and you can't wait to see the next step. So there will be times when I'm just turning off the volume, speeding it up a little bit, and you're watching. But I'm going to tell you what I'm doing, and I want to just say before we jump into blow drying, a couple of things. First, get yourself a little clip so that you can section off your hair. That is so important when you blow dry, because I feel like speaking from me personally, and you may be this way, leave me a comment and let me know if you are. I feel like I always want to take shortcuts to blow drying because I feel like, oh, the faster I get there, I can just go ahead and style my hair and get on with my day. Every time I take shortcuts to blow drying, I realize that it ruins my style. So I need to spend an extra minute or two actually blow drying with a purpose. So get yourself some clips and clip it off, section it off so that you're doing sections. Also, it's very helpful if you have straight, fine hair like I do to spend a lot of time blow drying in the opposite direction of where you want your style to go. I part on this side. I spend a lot of time blow drying down and over to get a little bit of lift. So you'll see that a lot too. So let's just jump in and get started. Before blow drying, I'm going to spray something on my hair. Make sure that you're always putting something on your hair before you blow dry, something that's going to protect your hair, whether it is a styling product or just maybe something to condition your hair and protect it from blow drying. Today I'm using the Living Proof Restore Perfecting Spray, and I will leave that a link to that in the description of this video. And then I'm going to use a wide tooth comb. Very, very important. It just creates a lot less pull, a lot less drag on your hair. It's very healthy and it's much better than using a brush. I will use a brush while I'm blow drying, but for the first little bit, I just want to get out a little bit of the moisture and I want to distribute the product evenly. So I'm going to start with a wide tooth comb, and I will link all of this in the description of this video. But let me know if you'd like to have a video of just some of the products that I love. I usually only need about 3 or 4 squirts of whatever I'm going to put on my hair. Any more than that, and my hair gets either really gummy because I don't have a lot of hair, so I don't need much, or it just really is weighed down. So usually for me, you're going to find out what works for you. For me, 3 or 4 squirts at the most, and then just comb it all in and just evenly distribute it before I start blow drying. When I start blow drying, I always start with my wide tooth comb and my blow dryer on the highest heat and the fastest speed. And then I will dial it back for, after a while. I just want to first just try to get the bulk of the moisture out before I start actually trying to style it. My hair's about 50% dry now, so I can blow dry just this area here, maybe my bangs a little bit. I'm gonna have the blow dryer on high heat, but a medium speed, and now I'm gonna start to use a brush. And the biggest secret with this is you're gonna see me go over the same section a few times and then let the blow dryer kind of heat that up a little bit. I'm gonna take the blow dryer off for a second and let it set. It kind of has the same effect as using a curling iron or a straightening iron. My hair will not hold a curl for anything in the world. If you were gonna put a curl at the end of your hair, for instance, you might want to do this. Get the curl in, kind of wind it up a little bit, let the blow dryer blow on it, let that brush heat it up, and then just sit there for a minute. Then when you loosen it, you will see that curl in your hair. Mine will not stay. So if I do that, it's more to give my hair a little bit of volume. So you'll see me do that a little bit up here just to give myself a little bit of volume. If your hair will keep a curl, then when you blow dry it, let that blow dryer set it, and then let it sit there and let it cool for a minute, you'll see more of a significant curl, allowing you to spend less time styling after you finish blow drying. Normally by the time I get to my bangs and this top layer, I will turn the blow dryer to a medium heat as well as a medium speed. Now that the blow dryer gave my hair a little bit of volume, before I do anything else, I'm gonna put a little bit of the world's greatest hairspray in my hair and up under there just to keep it where I just put it before I do anything else. So let's recap a few of the things that I did. First of all, I started obviously with wet hair, and find a product that you love that will really protect the health of your hair. You want something that's gonna help your hair over time as well as help your hair and protect it from the blow dryer. Also, use a wide tooth comb to distribute all of the product. Don't use a whole lot. Start out with a less is more approach, especially if you have thinner hair like I do. If you have thicker hair, you'll probably be able to use a little bit more. And then spend the first few minutes blow drying using your wide tooth comb and using your fingers. Your hair is the weakest when it's wet. So you want to be really nice to your hair when it's wet. So use your fingers, use the wide tooth comb, and then you saw that when it was about 50% dry, then I kind of sectioned it off. I started using the brush and started really styling with my brush and my blow dryer versus just wham, bam, thank you, ma'am, getting it dry so that I can style it and get on with my day. I find that the more time I take blow drying, and with a good blow dryer, which I will try to link in the description of this video, the more time I take, the better my style ends up being at the end. Then I just finish it up before I style it with just spraying a little bit of spray, getting up under it and kind of locking that in. Plus the hairspray gives my hair a little bit of something to hold on to when I'm styling. I find that if I style my hair with very, very, very clean hair, it just falls. So I'm generally styling with a little bit of spray while I'm in the middle of styling, but you will see that in the next video. I will show you how I style my hair. For now, I hope this blow drying video letting you watch me do it, I hope it was helpful. I hope it was helpful to just help you add a little bit more volume to your hair and care for your hair a little bit more. We all want to have really healthy hair, especially as we get older. And I will definitely leave a link for you in the description of this video for some of the collagen that I use. That has been amazing for my hair as well. So if you liked this video, if you got any value from it, if you had fun with me, definitely like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe, and come back and see me next time. For now, go out today and be blessed and do your best.